Hello, this is Candy from Lima Feed Machinery Manufacturer. Today, let us discuss the diesel engine, the fish feed extruder. This model is a 200 kg per hour diesel engine fish feed extruder. This model can feed 80,000 fish for your farm. If you don't have the electric in your farm, you can choose the diesel engine fish feed extruder. But if you don't want to choose this one, and you have the electric in your farm, you can choose our electric fish feed extruder. This machine is 150 kg per hour. For this machine, you can feed about 80,000 fish for your farm. If you buy our feed machine, we will give you the formula for free. If you have any problem, you can contact us.